lang kami. Malakas lang ay si YouTube University. Sa YouTube lang na napanood. Have you tried the coffee jelly before? So, kailangan may fan. May electric fan tayo, guys. Yan, naka-electric fan tayo. Para siya ay lumamig. Never. You should try this one. This one is sweet. Sweet, ano man tawag doon? Englishin mo dik-dik. Naubusan ako ng imik.
Did you know that? Later, let's wait until the coffee jelly is getting jelly na. Because pinapalamig pa lang. Like this. Yan, it's getting jelly na.
Sabi. Well, why don't you put it in the into the refrigerator? Well, you cannot put this one because it's still hot. This one is still hot. It's like boiling water. That's why we cannot put it right away to the refrigerator. Yeah. It's okay. So we need to make it like down to our room temperature. Hi guys! Thank you for watching. Comment down below if you know how to make coffee jelly, suggestions, or recipe for this one, because we're not good. This is our first time to make a coffee jelly. Well, actually we already made this one also last time, pero we don't have the recipe talaga. We based on YouTube University. We just watch. We're going to cut this one like into cubes. See this? Oh, it's actually a jelly now. This one also. Hindi ko alam. Like, anong tawag dito? Jik-jik. Anong tawag dito sa ano na to? Si gulaman. Gulaman. Ayan na. Like, let's wait another siguro 15 minutes or 10 minutes. And then we'll cut this one into cubes. See, jelly na.